Make popcorn without a sewing pan, without using oil or butter. In a container, start by adding 4 tablespoons of popcorn, 2 tablespoons of water, season with salt. The amount is totally to taste. Now just mix it up. Cover the container with plastic film. And with the help of a knife, make several sticks. Once that's done, just take it to the microwave for 3 minutes. If the popcorn will burst completely, it will depend on the power of your microwave, and may take up to 3 minutes. As soon as the corn stops bursting, just open and remove carefully, as it will be very hot. Remove the plastic film and your popcorn is ready. Do it at your home, that I'm sure everyone will love. A dry popcorn, no oil and no dirty pot. And the best part is the red in the container. It's too crispy, crispier than the one made in the pan. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.